Welcome to Phoenix Design Studio. The studio is founded and run by me, Khevna Mankodi. I have studied interior architecture from the reputed CEPT University. The studio started in Ahmedabad and now we are based in Bangalore. For more than 6 years, I have trained and benefited over 300 students across various fields. Photoshop is amongst various software trainings we provide in Phoenix Design Studio. It is one of the highest used softwares across a variety of industries. Learning Photoshop will not only give you the advantage in getting placement in the highly competitive market, but also will help you to grow your career faster. ઘણી બધી કંપનીઝમાં જોબ મેળવવા માટે ફોટોશોપ આવડવું કમ્પલસરી હોય છે. Many big companies are hiring in the field of graphic designs like Accenture, Xiaomi and many more. Or in the field of UX, you can get placed at the companies like Amazon, Paytm, etc. Phoenix Design Studioમાં અમે તમને ખાલી સોફ્ટવેર નથી શીખવતા, પણ એ સોફ્ટવેરનો યુઝ તમારા ફિલ્ડમાં કઈ રીતે થાય છે એ શીખવીએ છીએ. જેમ કે ફોટોશોપનો યુઝ વેબ ડિઝાઇનિંગમાં કઈ રીતે કરવો, અથવા તો ફોટોશોપનો યુઝ કરીને તમે તમારા ક્લાયન્ટ માટે સ્ટનિંગ પ્રેઝન્ટેશન કઈ રીતે બનાવી શકો છો. So register now to get advantage of learning one of the most dynamic softwares with Phoenix Design Studio. You'll get the details of what you are going to learn from the brochure attached. You can choose from our courses Introductory, Advanced and Combo based on your current knowledge of the particular software. So learn Photoshop today for the endless opportunities tomorrow.